Hey y'all, want to know how I got this finished look? Stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from Asteria Hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So I am reviewing a straight frontal wig from Asteria today, and I am completely in love with this wig. From y'all perspective, it probably doesn't look as boxy, but it definitely was giving box. So I wanted to go in, straighten her out, and just pluck her just a little bit, because I know after a while, wear and tear, you do not want to over pluck. With you over plucking, the hairline and the lace and the wig will start to deteriorate over time. So kind of be mindful on how much you are plucking. I wanted that hairline to just be a little less boxy. Again, I am only plucking just a little bit. Now I am going to be straightening out this wig, and I will be adding some layers to her. I will be kind of doing almost like some face framing layers. It won't look, so the wig won't look as Halloweeny. Now I understand Halloween is coming up, but I did not want to give Wednesday mama, okay? The texture of this wig, baby, butter, 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 butter. I am not a professional. Obviously, from my scissors, y'all can tell I am not a professional. But take your time if you are dealing with scissors. Because once you cut her, baby, she's cut. I am using my pomade just to kind of flatten her out. I love when wigs kind of give off like this widow's peak. I don't know, it's just so cute. Again, I am not going to go in too much with that tint spray, because I don't want to overly darken my lace, especially if I'm about to put makeup on. I'm going to put on that thin stocking cap that was given from Asteria. And this is where you can measure how big or small you want your forehead to be. You see how the layers makes a difference in this wig. Right now I am cutting off those ear flaps so she can fit comfortably around my hairline. We don't want nothing sitting on top of my ears. So I am spraying that even spray tint and whatnot. So I messed up where I placed my wig. So it's okay to hurry up and take that off. You are definitely going against time. So make sure you are positioning your wig correctly. But back to what I was saying. That even spray tint, baby, she be laying stuff down. And then also I will be wrapping her up in my elastic band. And then after, I kind of lay her down flat some more, while she's drying down under the band. But boom. So I had used that melting spray that y'all seen earlier, and baby got scared because why did this spray lift the lace back up? I thought y'all said it was melting, not removing. Like it was about to remove the lace off my head, y'all. Like I was so I was so shocked. But once I seen like how it sprayed down, I'm like, okay, like I don't know, it was giving almost like a oil consistency a little bit. So that's why I'm like, wait a minute, I had to read the bottle. Like, is this removal or is this supposed to add extra melt? And it said melting. So yeah, so forewarning, you guys, be really cautious with this. Take your time with this step because your lace could potentially lift like mine did. But once she dried down, y'all, she did sit well. So this is me taking off off that elastic band for the last time, and I'm going to be wiping off that excess residue. Trust me, y'all, it's going to blend at the end, I promise. That's why I like putting on makeup after I kind of lay my wigs down, because y'all can already potentially see it can get really messy. So I am lining up that parting space with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Overall, this hair from Asteria, because I believe this is my first time working with Asteria, this hair from Asteria was so easy to work with, beginner friendly, and she definitely moved like water. I love straight hair like this. If I had to get another wig that was like this texture, I would, y'all. The hairline was boxy in the beginning, so I did pluck her. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle, so that was definitely a plus. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Asteria Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, I want to thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. If you like this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribing and hitting that notification bell. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.